Bluebeam's exclusive tool chest tracks and stores commonly used markups so you can access them when you need them. In this video, I'll show you how to save markups into custom toolsets and share them with other revu users. I will also show you how to add hyperlinks or actions to markups and how to create markups with sequencing numbers. Let's get to it. To open revu's tool chest, go to View, Tabs, Tool Chest, or select it from the Tab menu. The first section in the tool chest is My Tools. Revu preloads this toolset with a few simple tools for your convenience: a yellow highlighter, white, red, and blue pens, and a text box with a yellow fill color. Each markup in My Tools is also assigned a number, so you can select a tool with your keyboard and use it on the fly. In addition to My Tools, each profile comes with a few other toolsets that are open by default. To open toolsets that aren't open by default, click the Manage Toolsets icon and select them from this list. The second toolset here is Recent Tools, where every markup you add to a PDF is automatically recorded. You can grab markups from here to reuse them too. When you close Revu, however, all of the recent tools are cleared. To reuse markups in future sessions of Revu, you'll have to save them into one of these pre-made toolsets or a brand new toolset. Click that Manage Toolsets button again to create a new toolset. Click Add and type in a name. Check this box if you want the toolset to be available in all profiles, not just the current one. Then click OK and save the toolset. Now you can start adding markups to it. In true Bluebeam fashion, there are multiple ways to save a markup into a toolset. 1. By dragging it from recent tools or another toolset. 2. Through the Properties panel. Or 3. Through the right-click menu. Any markup you add to your PDF, whether it be a text markup, pen mark, measurement, or snapshot, can be added to your tool chest in one of these 3 ways. When adding markups from the tool chest to your PDF, you can choose from Drawing mode or Properties mode. This markup is currently in Drawing mode. The thumbnail shows a mini image of the markup. When I place it on the drawing, I'm adding a carbon copy of that markup to the PDF. But if I double-click this thumbnail, it switches into Properties mode. The thumbnail shows a little icon of that markup and the markup's color. Now I can draw a new markup on the PDF that has the same properties as the markup I saved into the tool chest. Double-click the thumbnail again to switch back to drawing mode. Each of your toolsets can be collapsed and expanded by clicking these arrows. When a toolset is collapsed, you'll see this extra arrow show up here. Clicking this allows you to use the markups in that toolset without having to expand it all the way, which can be helpful when you have a long list of toolsets. You also have this Properties button here that allows you to customize the view of each toolset. You can view a toolset in Symbol View, which is how it displays by default, or you can switch to Details View, which gives you a detailed list of the markups with their subjects, comments, and labels listed next to them. You can also save toolsets to toolbars for quick access. Click the Properties icon on the toolset and select Pin to Toolbar. Here you can choose the toolbar to add the selected toolset to, or create a new toolbar. Along with being able to use your custom markups again and again, saving markups to toolsets allows you to easily share them with other Revu users. Click the Properties icon on a toolset and click Export, and save it on your computer. You can now send that toolset in its Bluebeam exclusive BTX format through email, FTP site, or over a shared network. Other Revu users can import that toolset by saving it to their local hard drive, finding it in their folders using Windows Explorer or Revu's built-in File Explorer, and simply double-clicking it. Finally, let's go over those advanced properties that can be added to markups saved in the tool chest. First, let me show you how to apply an action to a markup. Right-click a markup in the tool chest, select Action, then Define. This is the same dialog box that opens when you add a link in Revu. From here, you can configure the selected markup to jump to a specific page or place in an open PDF, link to a snapshot view, hyperlink to a website, or open another file. I want this markup to link to a snapshot view of elevation number 1, so I'll select the snapshot view and click Get Rectangle. Now I'll go over to this kitchen elevation and draw a box around it. Then I'll click OK to confirm the view. The markup's thumbnail in the tool chest now shows a square with a lightning bolt, indicating that an action has been added to it. There's also a small square with a lightning bolt next to the markup when I add it to the drawing. Click that square to follow the link. Action markups are exclusive to Bluebeam Revu. So, before distributing, we recommend you flatten action markups to ensure that their specified action will work in other PDF viewers. To do this, simply right-click the markup and select Flatten. Another advanced feature you can apply to markups in the tool chest is sequencing. Right-click a markup with a text field and select Sequence, Define. From here you can choose a numerical, Roman numeral, or alphabetical style, a prefix or suffix, the number or letter for the sequence to start with, how the sequence will automatically increment, and the rate at which the markup will reset within the sequence. Click OK, and this symbol will appear on the thumbnail, indicating that it is now a sequenced markup. As you add the sequenced markup to the drawing, the number in the text area will increase in value, and the Reuse feature will automatically be turned on, allowing you to quickly add multiple markups in the sequence at one time. Hit Escape or select another tool to turn Reuse off. If you drop the sequenced markup and pick it up later, the count continues where you left off. And that's the tool chest. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching, and go get 'em, Bluebeamers!